Hey YouTube, it's another one of my videos. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Well, I'm going to start trying to post more again. This is a bike check of the BSD WZA V3. I've had this frame for a while now and I still haven't made a bike check, so I figured to do it today. And I'll just start off in the front like usual. Still running those ODI Super Softs. I still like them. Just various barns, that's a snafu. All the barns are going to mess up. Odyssey double space bars. Still the Animal Jump Off remix with a Animal headset. Got the BSD WZA V3 frame. Got the really cool weld marks and stuff. It's a nice frame. Has a really short back end. And I got scavenger forks here. Shadow little ones pegs with plastic sleeves. The sleeves are lasting a lot longer than I would have expected. BSD front street hub, at least to Alex rims, Supra triple wall. Got that relaced. Then still have the Shadow Overtaker tire. Got the Odyssey JCPC pedals. They are really good, except for when you get pedal bite, then it's not really fun. But I still like them. Good for trails. Fit 19 cranks. Sunday's Sabertooth sprocket. Shadow half link. Shadow seat post repainted and BSC sticker on it. BSC slinger seat. Got BSC backstreet hub with Jersey barrier hub guard. Another Shadow peg. Got a broken spoke. Odyssey hazard light rim. And the premium Chad Curley tire. This tire says it's recommended for 65 PSI, but it's at like 90 right now. It's pretty good. And, yep, thank you for watching.